So hello we guys, we are back again to our channel. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. Here we go for binary trading. First we open Olem trade because we use Olem trade. So here we go, first open. So okay, that's your USD chart. We have demo account $10,830. So here we go for SNR and price action strategy. So first we analyze chart, then second we trade. So here we first remove the like okay, so let's see. Okay, so here we go for first trade. So let's see, here we go for first $500 buy because my analyze said market gone again upward, so that's why here we go for first buy. So we have only 50 seconds to book our first entry. So let's see guys. Okay, market gone slowly up. Market at 52% bulls and 58% bearish like bears. So that's why we choose like $500 book for buy, because my analysis said market gone consolidate, then big fake out for up. So we have only 15 seconds to book our first entry. So here market gone consolidate, so let's see and check it out. So we have only 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, that's a easily profit guys. So you see it, we earned in just 1 minute, we earned $410. Sorry guys. So here we go for again trade. First we analyze and let's see. So here we go for okay, let's see. Here we go for $500 sell. Let's see. If market gone consolidate and then go down, so we earn again big profit. So we have only 40 seconds to book our second entry. So market gone consolidate and midway trend, so that's a very risky market, but we choose, so we earn. So let's see. Okay, here we have only I think 20 seconds. So let's see guys what happened there. Okay, market gone slowly down. Okay, only 10 seconds. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, that's again big profit guys. So later, so you see guys, we earned $820 in just 2 minutes. So let's see, again we do some trade. So we are again do $500 trade. We do 2 trades in just 1 minute. So let's see. Okay, please do patience. So we earn a big profit. So we have only 50 seconds to book our all profits. So let's see guys. Leave a like guys, I hope you like it my strategy, and please follow me. So let's see. Okay, market gone up, our analyze is right. So let's see, market gone really fast move, so that's why our strategy is gone wrong I thought. So 15 seconds only, let's see. Okay, come on guys, leave a like. 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, that's a big profit. Okay, 2 1. Okay, it's a again big profit guys. 7 6 5 4 3. Okay, come on. Okay, one trade gone lost, but we earn a much more profit. So that's trade guys. Okay, here we go for again buy, again buy. So let's see guys, market gone really big down. So let's see, I thought we lost all money, I thought we earned big much more amount. So that's guys, please wait and watch we earn a big profit in just few minutes. So let's see guys. Okay, market gone consolidate. Our one trade are also in profit and two are in loss. Let's see. Okay, here we have only 30 seconds to close our all entries. That's the strategy guys. Please follow me and also comment me because I need your support. So let's see guys. Okay, market gone up. Our all trades are in profit. We have only 15 seconds or 20 seconds to close our all entries. Market gone really boom up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, book our one profit to one. Okay, book our third profit to one. Okay, that's a really big profit guys. So that's a strategy we earned in just 6 minutes. We earned $3,200. So that's a trade guys. Here we go for first $500 sell. Let's see. Okay, our analyze is equals to 100% right. So please follow my strategy, and if you learn more methods and more easily methods for SNR and price action, so please go my previous video and check it out. Okay, 35 seconds only. Here we go for again sell, again sell. Okay, let's see guys. Market gone really big down, so our all trades are in profit. We have only 15 seconds, 50 seconds, so close our all entries. We have only 1 minute to close our all entries. So okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we book also sell profit guys. So that's a really good day guys, and our strategies are all done in 100% right. So that's a trade guys. Okay, we have only 18 seconds, but market gone closely up, so that's a very risk guys. Here we go for again sell. It's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, book our again profit 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's a loss guys, $500 loss, but we equals much more amount. So anyway, leave it. So here we go for last trade, $500 sell. Let's see guys. That's our last trade. So let's see what happened there. Okay, we earned in just 8 minutes $3,500. So that's a really big amount guys. So okay, here's market gone down. Okay, come on, again. Oh, it's a very closely lost guys. So anyway, leave it. 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's really big profit guys. So that's a trade guys. We earned in just 8 minutes, we earned $3,430. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates and for more videos. See you guys soon. That's a strategy. Please much follow me. See you guys soon again. Bye bye.